One more thing about what I hate about our jobs, of course. Like when you're coming in the port, nobody knows, kinda, and we need to make an appointment. And the second one, the broker need to register us on the books. I picked up this load from Friday, and he didn't do that. And now I'm just spending my time waiting for processing until everybody's coming and going. All my guys are staying, waiting. They didn't give it to me. No paperwork. Can you ask the dispatch or somewhere, because they didn't give me the paperwork?
I don't know, man. You should have had something with the full chassis.
Hello, miss. I have a problem. I was not able to check in, but I unloaded and I unloaded. And now, yes, that's me. You need numbers, right? Okay, let's. Guys, I want to show you. This is the sister ship of Titanic. Imagine how huge is this. Look, you cannot imagine like how big is this ship. And you know what about the truck driver is good? I am making money right now, enjoying the sister ship of the Titanic, and that is Philadelphia. What can be better than that? Making money every day, every hour, every time, hopefully. This is my truck, and this is the biggest ship. And this is a good thing to be a truck driver. You can see things which not everybody can see that, right? Who are able to do that? Wow. And that is my truck, guys. And this is the trucking life hustler. That is the night time, the nice day left, and the future is coming every day, every night, every time. This is the morning, guys. This is my tired face. Work every day, everybody. The sun is going up. That's meaning it's a new day to make some money. This is how my load is looking like. That guy also hustling over there. That one also. Work. Non-stop work, guys. Look how many. And they're super expensive. This is the best cables in the USA. I'm not gonna show exactly where I'm going, but that's the point. Let me tell you a story of one of my friends who got cheated on. Everybody know we as a truck drivers, it's hard to find a woman. And you think like, oh my gosh, finally I find somebody, right? You get married, you have kids. He was happy. Until one of his friends came from Russia. And he didn't have nowhere to live, right? I'm not gonna say names. And this friend of mine invited him to stay by his house, right? Because he's gonna find him a job in his company. He'll buy a truck for him and put him as a driver. That was not the best thing to do. They was really good friends for a while. He took him on training. He learned how to shift downhill, uphill, everything, A to Z, everything. And after a couple of months, he was seeing his. They usually work 2 weeks and 2 days off and the weekend, right? And after like half a year, he was like seeing the guy, his friend, was more often at home than him. Imagine that, like you work every 2 weeks, your friend is going every week home when your wife is still home, right? Yeah, when they talk on the phone, he said, no worries, I'm just looking around to find a girlfriend. This is why I'm more time home, just to find a soulmate like your man. I said, okay. After another year, they get a baby, right? After 9 months, everybody's happy. They even became the godfather of the kid, the friend. And after some time, he started seeing the kid is not looking like him, right? Because when they're little, you cannot figure out that. All the friends around was giving me questions. Man, you sure that's your kid? Man, you sure that's kid? And he was really hostile on that. He said, yeah, that's mine. No, don't worry, guys. Until obvious, you can see it's not his kid. He got anyway to a DNA test. And you know what? The kid is not his. The kid is a friend kid. And imagine, he spent 3 years in a relationship, marriage and all that stuff. He spent 3 years of the income paying for the baby, paying for the house, paying for the wife, paying for everybody. And his best friend would teach him everything what he knows. He was having sex with his wife until he was working. This is the moral of the story. Guys, find a right woman and don't let another guy leave to girlfriend until you work on the truck, because time out is time out, but of course you cannot do that. Yeah, give me some advice or some stories which you hear about that. I don't know what to say. Like, for 1 second I just imagine to be there. No, take care.